Good day, everyone. My name is Rihan Enervista from 2BSEA English. Today, I'll show you how to create a spinning wheel in PowerPoint using a pie chart. Now, follow my instruction on how to do this. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and create a blank slide. Second, go to Insert tab and click Chart. Now, when you see the pie, click this and then OK. Now that the pie is ready, an Excel sheet will appear. In column A, type the names of your students, staff, or any choices you want. For me, I'll list I'll type some random names, 6 random names. Wait for a sec. Six. And in column B, type 1 for each item so all parts will be equal. Now that you notice the pie are now in equal size, and step the next step is delete the title above the pie chart. This. Let's delete this and the legend below. Now our pie is clean. Now let's add data labels. Click the pie chart, then go to add data labels. But some other PC or laptops, di talaga maglabas ito. But some PC, makikita nyo kaagad yung format data series. Then, pindutin yung format data series. Then, doon makikita nyo na yung add data labels. But here, nakita na natin kaagad yung add data labels. And kapag nakita nyo na ito, check only category names so the names that na nilagay ko kanina, it will show here the pie. Now, let's do add data labels and nakita nyo, 1 yung nakikita natin. Pero, let's edit this, format data labels. And now, nakikita nyo to, uncheck this too, and check this category name, X. And now, the names that we've written earlier in column A sa Excel is nag-appear na siya dito sa pie. Let's check the data again. There. Now they're all 6, divided in 6. Now, let's go to format, then set the pie to um, no outline. It should must not, there should not have an outline. So, let's go to no outline. But why? Wait a second. I think there's an error happening now. Now, there, you notice na wala na siyang outline. Then, let's cut the pie chart. Control X, and let's go to home and paste it again using paste special. Here, we can see the paste special here and choose picture SVG. Then click OK. Now there, na-paste ulit natin yung pie chart. And then let's right click the pie and ungroup. Okay, ungroup. Now, our pie is now ungrouped and rotate the names na nilagay natin dito sa part. Or let's resize this too. Okay. So let's resize Let's resize all into 32 and rotate. But it depends on you if i-rotate niyo or hindi kasi magdepende din 'yan sa ilalagay natin na arrow or any point niyo sa spinning wheel natin ngayon. Now, 32, 32, 32. Now let's click them again and check if and group them again. Okay. Then group them again. Now that they are grouped, let's cut them again and go to paste special and select the picture SVG, then paste them again. Now the pie are now grouped again. Then let's insert an arrow or shape that will point the wheel. Wait, let's zoom there. And let's draw the pie here so that our arrow will have a space here, there, this. And nga pala, pwede din pala natin palitan ng kulay itong pie natin. It depends on it sa gusto niyong i-design. And also, pwede din natin palitan itong arrow. But to make this simple, maggamit lang tayo ng arrow para maintindihan niyo kaagad. And dito, pwede natin ganito. Pwede din i-ano dito sa ano. Yan. Pwede din natin palitan ng kulay. Let's change it into green or any colors na bet nyo. Or pwede din ito. Yan. And lagyan natin ng skin. Let's stop. Pero it depends kung ganito yung gawin nyo. Now, let's click right there. Oops. And let's go to animation tab, and select this animation style spin. Let's choose the spin now. Kita natin na umiikot talaga. Now, let's go to animation pane. There. Then we go to timing here. You can see here the timing. Then select. Now, here in start, ito, on click. There's a duration natin. Let's select 1 seconds, fast. And sa repeat naman, let's select until next click. Sa trigger, kasi makikita kagad natin yung trigger dito. Kasi meron din kasing trigger dito sa animation. But, dito sa timing, meron na triggers. And let's select start effects on click off. Click of arrow left, makikita kagad kasi natin dito sa selection and okay. Yan. And then let's click the pie again, then go to add animation. Dito na. Kasi kapag dito, mawawala itong spin natin na animation na pinili natin kanina. So let's go to add animation and select appear. Yan. Then we go to select animation pane again and let's go to timing. Sa start, on click pa rin. There's no duration. Di tayo magpili kasi appear lang kasi yung animation. So trigger kaagad tayo. Triggers and start effect on click off. Dahil sinulat natin kanina dun sa arrow yung stop. So doon tayo Yun yung piliin natin sa trigger, yung arrow left. Then okay. Now, now our spinning wheel is ready. Let's see how it works and if it's really work. There, spin. And when we stop, just click the arrow for so that the spinning animation and the animation will gonna be work. And to prevent slide changing, let's go to transitions tab, and uncheck on mouse click so that the slide will not move when